In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Solana meme coins on Alph AI. Now, the first thing you need is you have to sign up to Alph AI, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. Again, link down below. So to actually trade Solana meme coins on here, first after you connect your Telegram, you want to click on up here to actually switch over to Solana. So just click on Sol, and then there we go, you've been switched to Solana. And then on here you can then just go ahead, click on this button where you can see your wallet, click on deposit/withdraw, and then here you have to basically transfer some Solana onto your wallet. Of course, this is my wallet over here. For you it's going to be a different one. Make sure you use your own. Okay, so double check it's going to be your own wallet, and then you can just transfer on some Solana, for example from Phantom, Binance, Trust Wallet, or whatever you are using. Okay, so whenever you have some Solana on here, what you can then do is you can start trading the meme coins. And the way you can do it is you can find them by either clicking on meme top left, and here you can see all the new coins, the almost graduated coins, and then the graduated as well. So of course you can find them in here. You could go to trending and you could basically just see the trending coins, or just search for them up here via this search bar. Okay, so let's say you actually find them in here, you find a coin you would like to invest into, and you can just go ahead and for example click on a random coin over here. Of course, before you actually do buy into a coin, make sure you do your own research, because a lot of these coins are going to be scams. So make sure you actually know what you're doing before you start trading. But when you are actually confident you want to buy a meme coin, just go ahead and go over here. You can go to buy or sell, and then you can select a market or limit order, and you could also type in the amount and take your take profit and stop loss if you want to as well. And then just go ahead and click on the buy button, and you'll be able to buy the set amount of a specific meme coin and then sell them whenever you are ready. And that way you can basically trade Solana meme coins on Alph AI. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.